Hi there, I'm Liam, and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly attach multiple receipts, invoices, or supporting documents to your expense entries using Fynlo's Bulk Attachments feature. Step 1. Navigate to Expenses. From your dashboard, click Expenses on the left-hand menu. Make sure your expense entries are already imported into the system before attaching any files. Step 2. Click Bulk Attachments. At the top of the Expenses page, you'll see the Bulk Attachments button next to Import and Display setting. Click it to open the Upload window. Step 3. Prepare your files correctly. Before uploading, it's important that each file follows this naming format: expense number, followed by a space, then any file name. For example, MP-00000021 space receipt.pdf. You can even upload multiple files for the same expense, as long as each file starts with the correct expense number. Step 4. Drag and drop to upload. Simply drag and drop all your prepared files into the upload area. Fynlo will automatically link each document to the matching expense based on the file name. Important reminders: if the expense number doesn't match any record, the system will skip the file and display a "No Matching Data" message. Supported file types include PDF, DOCX, XLSX, JPG, PNG, MP4, and more, with a maximum size of 10 megabytes per file. And that's it! With Fynlo's Bulk Attachments feature, organizing your expense documents becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient. Check the link in the description for the full step-by-step guide.